Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm making a new kind of meatloaf and it's called a cheddar meatloaf. Basically what you're going to need for that is 1 pound of ground beef. This is 80-20 fat content, I believe. And I have 1 pouch of onion soup mix, or you could just do, I believe it's 1 teaspoon of salt and then a half a cup of dry minced onion. But I tried this last time and the minced onion was too much. I cut that a little bit. But I'm just going to add a little bit extra to the pouch. Need 1 egg. And then you can do a half cup of cooking oats, breadcrumbs, or I have just some Clubhouse crackers right here. And then a half cup of milk. For the topping, it's going to be ketchup, brown sugar, and I think Worcestershire sauce. So let's just get this started and get it all mixed up. Almost forgot the start of the show. Shredded cheddar cheese. I just have some shredded mild cheddar. You're going to need a cup of that. Let's get this all mixed together. My cup of milk. Onion soup mix. A little bit of dried minced onion, probably like just a tablespoon or so. Half cup breadcrumbs. 1 cup shredded cheddar cheese. 1 egg. This is an 8x8 dish that I laid it in. It's basically, in the video, they're doing slow cooker and they laid it in like a casserole slow cooker, just like this. But I'm going to be doing it in the oven today. And then right here I have 2/3 cup ketchup with a half cup of brown sugar that I'm going to mix together. I actually added just a little touch of this Kitchen Bouquet browning seasoning sauce just to make it a little darker. It kind of looks like barbecue sauce now. So I'm going to just pour this right over. This meatloaf was going for 1 hour at 350 degrees and it's done. I have some rice right here, some veggies cooking up in there, and I'm going to serve it up and show you how it looks. That's what it looks like on the inside. I had to drain off some of the fat that was in the pan, but this is how it is plated up. I already tasted it and it's super delicious. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Please like, subscribe, and let me know if you try it out. I'll see you in my next video.